Why do leaves change color? Written by Kira Fried. So many colors. One of nature's most beautiful sights is a forest full of bright four colors. Imagine making art with all those colors of paint. Leaves in their four colors are beautiful. Do you ever wonder why a tree's leaves change color? To answer this question, you need to understand the important jobs that leaves do. Two types of trees. Not all trees lose their leaves in fall. Deciduous trees lose their leaves one each year. Evergreen trees lose and grow their leaves throughout the year. This book is about deciduous trees. Making food. Leaves make food so the trees can grow and have energy. This process is called photosynthesis. Leaves need four things to do their job. 1. Leaves need water, which they get from the tree through their stems. 2. Leaves also need a gas called carbon dioxide. They take in carbon dioxide from the air around them. 3. All plants use a chemical called chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll gives leaves their green color. Many parts of green plants have some chlorophyll in them. Leaves have the most chlorophyll of all the parts. 4. Leaves need sunlight for photosynthesis. Sunlight and chlorophyll work together. They turn water and carbon dioxide into a kind of sugar. This sugar is the food that gives plants energy. When they make food, trees also give off a gas called oxygen. Animals need oxygen to live. Photosynthesis doesn't just help plants stay alive. Photosynthesis makes food for all living things. Some animals, such as mice, eat plants. Other animals, such as hogs, eat the plant eaters. Without plants, what would hogs do for food? Summer. Summer is playtime. For the leaves of many trees, however, it work. The sun is shining. The leaves are making sugar from water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. What do the leaves do with the sugar? They send it to the tree's roots, branches, and buds. Those parts store sugar so the tree will have food during the cold months. Weather. Most trees that drop their leaves lose them over days, weeks, or even months. However, a ginkgo tree can lose all its leaves in a single day. Leaves are green in summer because they are full of chlorophyll. Leaves also have orange, yellow, or brown chemicals inside them. Those chemicals are there in summer, but the green chlorophyll hides them. Do you know the chemical that makes leaves orange is also found in carrots, tomatoes, and sweet potatoes. The chemical that makes leaves red is also found in berries, cherries, plums, and red cabbage. 4. In places far from Earth's equators, the temperature gets colder in fall. The days get shorter and the nights get longer. Trees get less sunlight, so photosynthesis slows down. Over time, leaves stop making chlorophyll, so they lose their green color. The heightened orange, yellows, and brown colors start to show. Leaves also start making a red chemicals at this time. Bright red leaves. The red color in leaves comes from sugar that gets trapped in the leaves. Some trees, such as red maples, make more red colors than other trees. How red the leaves turn also depends on the weather. Some years have a lot more red leaves than other years. When the weather gets cold enough in fall, the temperature drops below freezing. Since trees suck contains a lot of water, it can freeze. A tree's root, trunk, and branches protect the rock from freezing. However, leaves are very thin. If they freeze, the trees will be hurt. Trees drop their leaves to keep themselves safe. They close off the open at the bottoms of each leaf stem. Soon afterward, the leaves fall off. Winter and spring. Trees that drop their leaves are bare in winter. They use the stored food to get through the coldest and colder nights. Spring comes before long. Ice and snow melt, and the rains come. The sun shines and tiny leaves sprout from branches. Once again, the leaves use water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and sunlight to make food. The cycle begins again.